Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy coin on Bybit. Let's begin. So once you've logged into Bybit, you are going to go to the bottom right corner and then select the assets icon. Now in the list of options right there at the top, it says deposit, withdraw, transfer, or convert. You are going to select deposit. Now under the heading which says buy crypto with fiat, there are various ways to buy crypto. You can buy it with your currency, P2P trading, or deposit your currency. So I'm going to select the first option where it says buy with ZAR, recommended. Now what you need to do is you need to choose the amount that you want to add when you want to buy the crypto. So I'm going to say 300. So it says there I'm going to receive 16.5247 USDT or $16. And then I'm going to click on next. Now it says select payment method and it says recommended. So you could either use Google Play or your ZAR balance or your bank card to buy the coins. So if I select bank card, I can click on or select next. Then what you need to do is you need to enter your email address. Then you enter your first name, last name, and then your card number, the expiration date of that card, and then the CVV or the CVC. And then you're going to select, I understand the information and identification documents I provided to Bybit may be shared with the relevant Bybit service providers. So then if you do that, you're going to select continue. And there you go. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.